Using YouTube in a language you're not comfortable with makes everything harder, from finding videos to understanding settings. In this tutorial, you'll learn the fastest method to change YouTube's interface to any language you prefer. Begin by launching YouTube on your desktop computer or laptop through your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where your account profile icon is located. Click on this profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu containing various account settings and preferences. Within this menu, you'll notice an option labeled Display Language. Select this to access the language settings. A comprehensive list of available languages will appear, displaying dozens of options from around the world. Scroll through this list carefully and locate your desired language. For demonstration purposes in this tutorial, I'll be selecting Portuguese, but you can choose whichever language works best for you. So, click on your preferred language to make your selection. The moment you confirm your choice, YouTube's entire interface will transform automatically. Every menu, button, category label, and navigation element will immediately reflect your chosen language, creating a seamless browsing experience tailored to your linguistic preferences. The process requires no page refresh or browser restart, making the transition completely effortless.